Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of flavors with a recipe for savory lamb and tofu hot pot. Let's jump right in. Start by slicing some fresh ginger and tossing it into a pot of boiling water with cooking wine and our beautifully rolled lamb. Once it's perfectly cooked, set it aside to mingle with the flavors. Now, let's slice some more ginger, cut the tofu into these cute triangle pieces, and chop up the cabbage into lovely segments. Oh, and don't forget to finely chop that cilantro. In a pot, let's get that oil sizzling. Toss in the ginger slices and a pinch of Sichuan peppercorn powder. The fragrance is divine. Add the cabbage, give it a good stir until it's all beautifully wilted. Now, the magic begins. Pour in enough hot water and in goes the fried tofu and those delicate glass noodles. Once the noodles are dancing in delight, introduce the blanched lamb rolls. Time to play with flavors. A splash of light soy sauce, a sprinkle of white pepper, a pinch of salt, a dash of chicken powder, and the secret ingredient, chopped pickled chili for that kick. Before we unveil this masterpiece, a final touch, a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. And there you have it, our incredible savory lamb and tofu hot pot delight is ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll catch you in the next one.